Thursday, June 18th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with. Let's begin this morning with a look at Gastonia there on the western side of the Charlotte metro area, and the observation there in Gastonia is a temperature of 73 degrees, very mild and humid conditions, as is the case all across the region this morning. There's a look at the numbers from yesterday. Most folks shy of record values yesterday. Columbia at 101 did tie the record high yesterday afternoon, but it was certainly another very hot day. 99 in Charlotte, 97 in Fayetteville, Wilmington 93. A lot of mid-90s across most of the Triad viewing area, and it was mid and upper 90s around the Charlotte viewing area. 99, and again, the Charlotte Airport, Monroe, Albemarle yesterday, 98 in Wadesboro and Gastonia. Hot day. This was the radar presentation then as we went through the afternoon, and then the overnight hours. Had a couple of areas of some showers and thunderstorms roll through, and really it was kind of a setup where you had a couple of different waves of these showers and thunderstorms move through this corridor right here, through parts of Rowan, Davidson, Stanley, Montgomery, and Randolph counties there. Davidson counties, that corridor there, kind of between Highway 74 and Interstate 40. Now, in terms of storm reports yesterday, that's what it looked like across the region. Had a clustering of those wind and hail reports around the Raleigh-Durham area, mainly Raleigh, primarily there in Wake County. You also had some activity there over parts of the mountains, the front areas of the, the right side of the mountains there, just the Piedmont side, the foothill areas of the mountains there on the North Carolina side. Had some wind and hail reports, and then up in Surry County too, had some power lines down and a little west of the Dobson area, about 5 o'clock. Now this is the radar over the past couple of hours. That activity from overnight continues to gradually work further to the east, and the little disturbance driving that is exiting, and that's what's causing that to depart. The setup today will feature the chance of some scattered afternoon showers and storms. Next cold front still well to our north and west. Here's the high resolution modeling, and it's being a little probably too aggressive with the scattered showers and storms today, but you get the idea. Some afternoon and evening activity firing up. Pretty hot day today. There's your highs across the region. Really steamy conditions once again. As we head on into your Friday, more of the same. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Friday's highs in the 90s. A little bit of a cool down, if you want to call it that, over parts of North Carolina, but still a pretty hot day. No big cool down coming, though. This is Saturday. An isolated coverage of showers and storms, and your Saturday highs look like that. We crank the heat up a few notches on Sunday. There's your Sunday highs around the region, and again, after a little bit of a relaxation here the end of the week, and as we head into the weekend of the ridge, and by the way, this little trough is what was once Bill. Once that gets out of the way, we see a new ridge develop over all of the southeast, and the heat will return. In fact, here's Wednesday's highs of next week. Yeah, I mean, it looks hot. Most of next week will feature pretty hot temperatures, in fact, quite hot temperatures once again. If you're beach bound as we head into the weekend, first of all, there's a look at the Avalon Pier web camera this morning. Some clouds over that way. And the beach weather looks pretty good. Pretty hot, low to mid 90s along many coastal spots, and just a few afternoon thunderstorms on a daily basis. All right, tropical update time, and the remnants of Bill continue to be the big weather story. In fact, that's a recent tornado warning that just popped up there in some of the northwestern Louisiana parishes, that pink polygon. This is the last 24 hours of radar data, and you see just the, especially the eastern side of the circulation of Bill continues to generate some heavy rain and thunderstorms and a lot of ongoing flooding issues. Now, this is the 3-day rainfall map. I've just highlighted some of the bigger totals there. Some areas along the Texas coast, 10 to 12 inches plus of rain, and you get up into the northern Texas and Oklahoma. There's some totals over 10 inches in that corridor as well. Elsewhere across the Atlantic Basin, no sign of our next system developing, as the tropics are pretty quiet. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, stay cool, and God bless.